Hello guys, welcome back to another DIY video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this my DIY homemade cucumber face tuna at home. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and if you want to see how I do this, keep on watching and let's get into it. So for this cucumber face tuna, what you need is a fresh washed cucumber, and you can use the old one, you can use half, depends on the quantity you want to make. And then I'll just go ahead to peel the skin. You have to peel the skin before moving to the next step. So guys, if you are new and you are old subscribers, you are also welcome. In this channel we make DIYs video, skincare video, hair, natural hair, how to grow your hair, what I used to grow my hair, and other stuff like that in this channel. If these are the kind of video you are interested in watching on YouTube, consider subscribing and also click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to know when that video is up. And I do upload video on Tuesdays and Fridays, so keep that in mind. So guys, after peeling the back of the cucumber, I just went ahead to chop it into a tiny pieces, then go ahead to transfer it into my pot. The purpose of doing this is to boil it. Then I'll just add 2.5 cups of water, clean water. Remember that we are putting this on our skin, and whenever you are doing these DIYs homemade for your skin, make sure to be careful because you don't want dirt to go inside your body. So after boiling it for about 5 to 7 minutes, I let it cool down, and then I'll proceed to the next step to blend the cucumber. This part is also important. So guys, cucumber have a lot of benefits for your skin. Cucumber have anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, which have some nutrients like vitamin C and folic acid. Cucumber is also high in water and low in calories. Cucumber gives salty effects against sunburn, like it reduces swallowing. Cucumber also have the power to relax and elevate sunburn. So you know we are in summer. If you want to avoid sunburn, by all means you have to try this, and it's coming, and this is very easy to make. And also cucumber hates skin prone, acne prone skin. Like if you have oily skin, especially oily skin, they are prone to to acne. And I will make a video will be coming up where I will explain how to know your skin type. Watch out for that video. And also cucumber combats premature ages, and it also hydrates the skin. This is where dry skin comes in. If you have dry skin, you have to use this face tuna. You can use it twice a day. Spray it on your face. Take it with you while going out. If you want to preserve this, what you need to do is to store it in your fridge. You can store it in your fridge for up to weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But if you don't put it on your fridge, you have to store it about 2 days in a room temperature. Don't let it be more than that day. So after blending and straining the cucumber that I blended, I'll just go ahead to add rose water. So guys, after that, I'll just transfer it to my spray bottle. Guys, that is it. You can see it's ready. Very easy to make and very affordable. You can go to the supermarket close to your house, get some fresh cucumber and make your fresh tuna at home. You can make this once in a week, depending on how often you use it. And after spraying this on your face or using your cotton bud to apply it on your face, you have to proceed with your moisturizer to moisturize your skin. So guys, that is it for this video. This is how I make my face tuna, and hope you enjoy watching this video. Hope you learned something new. And that is it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also share this video with others, share to your social media platform. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.